So many pets have disease conditions that cause them chronic pain. And if your beloved companion has pain on a daily basis, there is no doubt you want to use everything you can to make sure they're as comfortable and happy as they can possibly be. One tool for your pain management toolbox might be the application of hot packs or cold packs. But how do we do this in a manner that is safe and effective so we don't cause our animal friends any unintended harm? The first step you need to take is to have a conversation with your pet's veterinarian about whether heat or cold therapy would be appropriate for them. In general, heat therapy is effective for chronic conditions or conditions affecting muscles and joints, and cold therapy is better for inflammation or acute injuries. Once you've established whether this would be appropriate for your pet, the second thing you do is apply the technique. And then the third step is to evaluate their response and see if it's worth continuing. But we do want to do this in a manner that is safe so we don't cause any unintended tissue damage. Follow these safety tips to make sure you're doing it the right way. Number one, never, ever, ever use electric heat blankets or heating pads on a pet. If it gets too hot and they're unable to move away, they may end up with burns, and I know you don't want that. Number two, with cold therapy, the first few times you do it, check your pet's skin frequently. If you notice any blanching or mottling of the skin, stop immediately so that they don't get frostbite. Number three, try it out on yourself first. So if something is too hot or too cold to hold against your skin for more than 1 or 2 minutes, it's also too hot or cold for your pet, in which case you should change the temperature or provide a barrier with a few layers of fabric in between. And then number four, assess your pet's response. So if they're moving away, look uncomfortable, or just don't enjoy the therapy, then stop immediately and don't use that. With these tips, hot and cold therapy may be a tool that you can use to manage your pet's pain. Talk to your veterinarian if you think this might work for you. My name is Carolyn Nahn, and I am the owner and medical director of Arms of Aloha, where we believe every pet deserves peace, comfort, and dignity at the end of their life. If this video was helpful to you, please share it with your friends. And if you have other topics you'd like me to cover, drop me a note in the comments. Mahalo.